Hello, my friends. It is Jennifer of Jen's Garden, and we are looking at the beautiful Motherwort. I feel like she's like a grandma of the herbs. She's one of the, I think, like original ones you'll find in herbals of old times. Some powerful medicine here. But with that, what we're looking at her for in being a flower essence. And here we go. I got my flower essence bottle right here, Motherwort. You can buy these online at jensgarden.com. Or if you're near me, there's some local shops that have it. So it's about empowerment. Become, rise up. Who do you want to be? What do you want to be? Someone holding you down? No, rise up. One lovely thing about Motherwort is those flowers. But they're kind of, I don't want to say deadly, but they are prickly. Look at the pricks on that. Can you see it? Right here, there's a bunch of prickies. Like, she's very burr. She's pricky. You know, she's got to get places, and she's got to spread. She's going to become. Those burrs are going to get onto things in a very subtle way. And there she's going to spread around all her seeds. And she's going to become, and she's going to rise up. So use that power. Do you need to rise up, become, have some empowerment? Go to Motherwort. It's that loving energy, but it's that, she's found herself. Okay, my friends, bright blessings. Please subscribe. That way, eventually, I can get enough subscribers to be able to pay for a really great camera. Or to quit my day job and go to botany school. All these wonderful things. Dream, become. There's a dog licking my ear, which is why you're bouncing up and down, so forgive me. Like my Facebook page, jensgarden.com to find the flower essences. Goodbye.